As you can see, the case marker does not leave the noun, no matter how many nouns you introduce in the sentence. Like for example, si Peter, si June, si Marie, si Ann, si Ginoong Cruz. Did you get the point? Now, let us try the case marker ang. Ang bahay at ang puno. The house and the tree. Ang bahay at ang aso. The house and the dog. Ang puno at ang ibon. The tree and the bird. Ang aso at ang ibon. The dog and the bird. Ang Pilipinas at ang Estados Unidos. The Philippines and the United States. Ang karunungan at ang musika. Knowledge and music. Ang bata at ang magulang. The child and parent. Ang manlalaro at ang bola. The athlete and the ball. Again, each common noun is preceded by the ang marker. Let's mix things up a bit. Si Peter at ang bahay. Peter and the house. Si Marie at ang ibon. Marie and the bird. Si Ann at ang aso. Ann and the dog. Si June at ang bola. June and the ball. Ang karunungan at si Ginoong Cruz. Knowledge and Mr. Cruz. Ang Pilipinas at si Binibining San Felipe. The Philippines and Miss San Felipe.